everybody, it's Miss Amy from the library. Welcome to the third installment of Kids in the Kitchen. Today we're going to be making homemade dog treats. They're no bake and they only have 3 ingredients and you get to play with them. So it's going to be a lot of fun. If you don't have a dog, these treats you can give to a neighbor who has a dog. You can call your local dog shelter and see if they'll accept donations of the dog treats. So let's get started. The first thing I wanted to show you is the difference between a liquid measuring cup and a dry ingredient measuring cup. So in order to get the proper measurements, especially if you're baking where proper measurements are so important, you need to use the right utensils. So with the liquid measuring cup, the markings are on the side, and you would put your water or your milk or your chicken broth or whatever liquid you're measuring. And it's important to get down to eye level and make sure that your liquid is on the measuring line. So this is liquid. Also for eggs, a mixture of eggs and milk, you would use a liquid measuring cup. This is a dry ingredient measuring cup. And I'll demonstrate how this works when we measure out our oats. So I always like to use a super big bowl because this way you're not trying to mix it and have stuff go flying all over the place. So we're going to start with 1 cup of peanut butter. This is organic peanut butter because it was on sale that day. If any moms out there have a tip to try to mix the oil back into the peanut butter, please let me know because I made a huge mess trying to do that. Okay, there's my 1 cup of peanut butter. And then I'm going to measure out 2 cups of oatmeal. Now this is not your instant oatmeal that you would put in the microwave. This is old-fashioned oatmeal or oats. So that makes a difference. You've probably seen this in your breakfast cereal too, or granola bars or granola. So I have a 1/2 cup dry ingredient measuring cup. So we need 2 cups. So a 1/2 cup and a 1/2 cup make how many cups? 1 cup. So we're going to need 4 1/2 cups to make 2 cups. And this is how you measure dry ingredients. You want to fill up the cup and then take your finger and just move it across the cup, just like that, so that you have a perfect 1/2 cup measurement. So here's 1. Remember, we need 4. And here's 2. Here's 3, 1 more. And 4. And the last of our 3 ingredients is some honey. Now I have a little trick for you. When you're measuring something that's sticky, like honey or maple syrup or molasses or corn syrup, it helps if you take some cooking spray and just give your measuring cup, or this, in this case, my measuring spoon, just a little spritz. Okay, I'm just gonna, that was a little too much. And we need 1 tablespoon of honey. Those are my taste testers in the background. They're going to taste test our homemade dog treats. Haley bird. Okay. 1 tablespoon of honey. And see how easily that comes out? It just slides right out of the measuring spoon instead of getting all stuck in the measuring spoon. Okay, now we're ready to mix our ingredients together. So I'm mixing the 1 cup of peanut butter, the 2 cups of oatmeal, and 1 tablespoon of honey. And all these ingredients are good for dogs. I'm just gonna switch to a bigger spatula. And of course, we start any kind of cooking with impeccably clean hands. So I washed my hands right before we started filming today. So we're gonna mix all these together. And when you're done with these should be refrigerated. Here's Comet. She knows what's coming, so she's sticking close. Okay, so I have all my ingredients nicely mixed and combined. And then you're going to take a little handful and you're going to roll it like we did with the truffles, like you would roll a meatball. So if you have a smaller dog, you might want to make these treats smaller. Or if you have a bigger dog, you might want to make them a little bigger. So I'm going to make a couple. Haley is very excited to try them. Okay, so see how easily they come together? And they'll last in the refrigerator for a week or so. And actually, I think longer. Okay. Sit down, Haley. Easy. As you can see, Comet and Haley thought they were very delicious. So I'm going to roll out the rest of my homemade dog treats. Thank you for watching our video, and we'll see you at the library. The library is open now, so you can come in and look around. Also, remember to check our website for all our future programs, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.